So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to add a third-party camera to Reolink NVR on VIF setup, add manually and fix error. Step 1 is enable ONVIF on both devices. On the third-party camera, log into the camera standalone web interface using this IP address via a computer browser. Then locate the network integration or security setting. Toggle enable ONVIF to active. Crucial are create an ONVIF user account with a strong password if your camera requires a separate profile for API integration. Common in Hikvision, Mcrest and Dua model. So on the Reolink NVR, connect a monitor and a mouse directly to your NVR. Navigate to setting, then network, then advanced, then port setting. Ensure the ONVIF service checkbox is enabled. Click apply. Step 2 is manually add the camera to the NVR. Reolink NVR rarely auto-detect non-Reolink brand, making a manual connection necessary. On your NVR monitor, navigate to setting, then channel. Find an empty channel slot and click the blue plus icon. If a scan window pops up and misses your camera, click manual adding at the top. Configure the manual steps fields exactly as follows. Protocol select onvif.ip. Address input your third-party camera exact IP. So port change this to match your third-party camera specific ONVIF port. Username and password. Enter the credentials you set inside the third-party camera web UI. Click OK or save. The channel status should turn to connected within a few moments. Third step is troubleshooting common connection error. So connection failed or offline. The cause IP mismatch or blocked port. To fix, confirm that the camera and NVR are on the same exact network subnet, both starting with this IP. Use a tool like Angry IP Scanner to verify that the camera specific ONVIF port is actively listening. Error 2 is incorrect username or password, invalid credentials. The cause: Reolink is submitting NVR credentials instead of the specific camera profile. On your camera utilization, a secondary ONVIF authentication list. The fix is: go back to the third-party camera web configuration interface. Double check the ONVIF user page. Some brand require you to explicit add an administrator profile directly to the ONVIF configuration page rather than utilizing the base hardware login credential. Third error is video stream flash or drop randomly. The cause are unstable video encoding format or incompatible high bitrate. The fix is: Reolink NVR accept H.264 stream easily, but struggle with customized H.265 code from other manufacturer. Log into your camera standalone web page. Navigate to video stream setting and switch the encoding type to standard H.264 or H.265. Ensure your substream resolution matches standard definition like D1 or 640 x 480. Thank you.